Now I'm gonna test my capacitor. I turn the power off to the disconnect switch. So best practice, always verify that your high voltage is not present before you go ahead and do that. My teacher told me one time, one of my instructors when I was attending the HVAC program back in New Jersey, that even if your boss tells you that he turned the power off, your duty is to double check. If he or she gets upset, it's fine. You just do what you have to do for safety, okay? So in this case, I'm gonna, just juice this guy out. And one thing that I want to point out on this capacitor is that we don't have the third port, which is for the fan, plugged in. And the reason being is because this guy is an ECM motor. So the wirings are right there, but it's only purple and an orange, my common and my herm. And I'm just gonna check and see how much I'm reading. And then, those are kind of like important things to check on a heat pump when you're doing maintenance. So I already use it out, so now I'm just gonna change my meter to microfarads. I don't need to disconnect the common because I know there's nothing there, so we give it a minute. And I have 42.5, and I can guarantee you it's a 45. So it is a 45 right there, a 40 and a 5. Actually it's a 40 and a 5, and plus minus 5% in this case. So it's right in the limit actually what the manufacturer is recommending, so we can note that. Put it back, make sure everything is back and it's tight. Make sure it's not loose, because then it will create an arc and use it out and it will fail prematurely. So that's how we check a capacitor. Always, again, this is the way I like to check it. We can go ahead and do it the formula, but this is what we do. I know it has to be under load and it's fine, but I know it's gonna work fine. So because then I'm gonna check for amps, and then also you can make another formula out of it if it's working within manufacturer's range. But another tip, this is what we have. Okay, keep doing what you're doing. Thank you.